That's a diverter issue. Complaining about it starting slow. That's a diverter issue. See if I can get it off. I don't know. I don't think I can get that one off there. They run better without this in it half the time anyway. Still gonna work. Give you a little bit more flow. Change our supply down ball. Leave this out. That's pretty clean. We'll try changing that supply down below. Better. See if that's clogged. Betcha. Yeah, that thing's blocked. See the blockage in there. I'll put a new one in and try it.
Last time I used it, I think I did what like that.
It looks better there. Yeah, it's still kind of wimpy. It might be in the shutoff. Still kind of wimpy. I think it's in the shutoff. Put this compression one in there. Cut out the old one. I got the water off. The hot. cut it there and put in that in there. Put all the shit in there. I'll move this. That's mostly in the top part here, but I'll just put a new one in there. I just put a compression one in there, that should be better. Better now. See how the hose works. I can put that diverter back in there if I wanted to, but probably run better without it, with it out. Alright, I got your flow working a lot better now.
You do?
It was in the shutoff. Look, watch now.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, that's the hot. That's the cold. Now, there's a diverter in here that is probably what's making it, when you turn the water on, it's taking a little while for it to work. If I leave this out, it'll still work. The spray will still work.
Oh yeah, that wasn't even working.
It wasn't before?
No.
Oh,
when I put that faucet, it was for a little bit and then it went off.
Alright, so the diverter's bad, but I don't have this style. But it'll work without it. It's just going to come out here and out the spray at the same time. You okay with that?
Yeah, that's fine.
If we get another diverter for it, which I might have one in the truck. It's a Delta. Let me see if I got one. I might have one. They want me to check.
Yeah, if you want.
Let me check, because it says Delta on there, right? Yeah, I might have one of these in the truck. Let me check.
Okay.
Well, look at the shutoff. See how all the stuff in it?
Wow, it's the shutoff too.
See the cholesterol?
Oh yeah, see
and
that?
In there. We talked about it. See it all?
That's
the hot. I had to put a new shutoff.
Oh.
Wait, so let me see if I can get a new diverter for you. I think I got one in the truck.
Okay.
Let me see. Let me see if I got.
There's an issue with it too, you know. He's up there on age. She just turned 88.
Who's that?
My husband.
Your husband turned 88?
Looks
like the same one.
Yeah.
Looks like the same diverter. This one's white though, but it's a Delta. I think it's the same. 88. Yeah, we'll try it. What do you got to lose? Right? So all this diverter does is when you hit the sprayer, it shuts the water off to the faucet.
Oh, I see.
And it lets it go. It lets it go to the sprayer. But it will work without it. You'll just have water going
running through the faucet
to both places. You know what I'm saying? But if I got one, we'll replace it and see how it works. Why not? What do you got to lose? This is a Delta, which I like Delta because it's, you know, you can get parts for them and they're good. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it works better like that with the diverter in it. See it?
Yeah.
What do you like? What do you think about that for a flow? Huh? Yeehaw. Cold.
But like I said, it must be something on the water that you know, it don't take long. It gets all clogged.
Yeah.
Because the sprayer, like when I put that faucet, it didn't last long. It went off. It shut off.
The diverter was bad. The diverter.
You know?
Yeah. So the diverter was probably sticking. Now that you turn it on. Now that you turn it on, the water comes out right away. See it?
Yeah, I see.
It was that the diverter that was giving you an issue.
Oh, I see.
Plus the cholesterol. So we had to do some modifications.
Wow.
But you're good, right?
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah.
Nobody got the culvert?
No, thank God. He got his shots, but I didn't.
No
Because
shots?
I don't go nowhere. I'm like, I can walk better or anything. I only go out of this house if I go to a doctor.
Yeah. Alright, so that's it. You happy?
Hey, what can I do? If there's nothing else I can do.